In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bookmap Workspace 2026 full guide. First, launch Bookmap and sign into your account. Before you start building your workspace, make sure your broker or market data connection is active. This is important because your charts and tools depend on live or connected data, so it's best to confirm everything is working properly right at the beginning. Once your data feed is connected, open the trading instruments you want to monitor. For example, you might load markets like ES, NQ, CL, BTC, or any other supported instruments you regularly follow. At this stage, the goal is simply to get your main charts on screen and begin arranging them in a way that fits your workflow. Next, customize your charts. Adjust the heat map settings, volume dots, price levels, timescale, chart colors, and any general display preferences you use day to day. This part matters because a good workspace should feel easy to read at a glance. Clear visual settings can help reduce clutter and make it easier to focus on the order flow and price action that matter most to you. After that, add the indicators and studies you typically use. This could include tools like cumulative volume delta, VWAP, volume, large trades, iceberg orders, or stops and icebergs. Once they're enabled, arrange the subcharts and widgets in positions that make sense for your analysis. A practical tip here is to place your most used tools where your eyes naturally go first so you can monitor them without constantly moving things around. Now organize the overall layout. Depending on your style, you may prefer a single chart view, a dual chart comparison, a 4-chart multi-market setup, or even a layout spread across multiple monitors. Resize the charts and panels so the workspace feels balanced and efficient on your screen. The idea is to create a setup that supports quick decision making without wasting space. If you often open new instruments, you can optionally enable chart setting inheritance. Turn on inherit chart settings and choose which settings should automatically apply to new charts. This helps keep everything visually consistent and saves time when expanding your workspace. When your setup is ready, save the workspace. Go to File, then choose Save Workspace or Save Workspace As. Give it a clear descriptive name that reflects how you use it, then click Save. Naming it well makes it easier to find later, especially if you create multiple setups. If you want Bookmap to load this workspace automatically every time, open the Run Options window, select your saved workspace as the default startup workspace, and save that configuration. Finally, anytime you need to reopen it manually, go to File, select Open Workspace, choose your saved workspace, and click Open. Bookmap will restore your charts, indicators, layout, and settings so you can get back to work quickly.